Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Subaru WRX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter H4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Subaru is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.